Today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to swap product off your screen. So yeah, guys, today I want to teach you how you can swap product of your screen like so. So let's say today is our day 27 of our free editing lessons, and I'll be teaching you how to swap product off your screen. Hi, my name is Wokobuche. On social media, I teach you how to monetize social media platforms and how to edit videos. And do not fail to comment in the comment section and ask me the kind of edit you want me to teach you, and I will be teaching you for free, okay? But today, I want to teach you how you can swap product or anything off your screen like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is if you want to do maybe a product review, maybe you want to do stylish videos, you want to just showcase your clothes, you want to do a get ready with me and want to swap your clothes before you choose them, or you want to swap something off your screen and pick it. Those are visual hooks, those are video hooks. Those are actually things that make people stay on your page, watch your videos till the end and all that. So today, this is what I will be teaching you: how to swap product of your screen, which is one very important edit as a content creator. Edit, did I say edit or edit? Which is one very important edit that every content creator needs to know. So do not fail again to comment in my comment section and ask me the next edit you want me to teach you. And do not fail to share, comment, subscribe on this channel because I have goodies for you. So let's go into the tutorial. Let me show you how you can create this amazing video. Okay,
Okay guys, you open your CapCut app like so. You click on you click on the record. You click on add a new project. So click add new project, then you come here and you add your new project. Okay, so this is your new project. Let me mute this so you can watch how I recorded the video, because actually the recording is the deal. Okay, so now see what I did here. I swapped my finger, then I swapped again, then I swapped again, then I swapped again. So how many times I swapped is how many times you take pictures of your product. Just put your product on regular floor and take pictures. Okay, say you'll be swapping like 10 times. Make sure you take pictures of 10 different products, or it's just one product you want to use. Take picture of that one product. Okay, then let me show you how you can input this product now into this video. Okay, so the problem is recording your video first. Make sure you time your fingers, how they flap around, or how you flip your fingers around. Yeah, okay. So now when you're done doing this recording, let's go to the first place I swapped my finger. So here, yeah, like that. So there, okay. You click on overlay. Overlay takes you to your photo. You get to your photos, then you choose the first photo. When you choose the first photo, this is the first photo. You go here and you click on remove background. You remove the background of the photo. Once you remove the background of the photo, you click like so, and you use your fingers to minimize this product. Okay, so use your fingers to minimize this product. Okay, so this product has to be here. Say it will be here. Okay, now this is the first. This is where your finger swapped for the first time. Okay, I'll shift it a little bit in front. Swapped the first time and where it ends before the second product swap. Okay, so here, first thing first, you do you put in the first keyframe here, and then you put in the second keyframe here, and you swap your products the opposite side where your finger is coming from. And now you play this video like so. Okay, So if you want this to go and stand on the screen, you drag it till when you're done talking, you drag. So it will be like this. Okay, let's do. Okay, now here, you click here, you go to audio. Down here, you see audio, you click on audio, you click on sound fix. You click on sound fix and then you add in your sound. So depending on which sound you want to add in, maybe the hoop sound. Let me add the volume. Okay. So we can do this sound. Let's see. Okay. So you can add in this sound. I think the hoop sound, because the picture is not moving too fast. So we'll add in a sound that actually goes well with this. Let me see. Okay, this one might go. Let me reduce the volume. You click and reduce the always try to reduce the volume of your sounds. If not, your your phone will be filled, your video will be filled with some loud sounds that you can't even understand. Okay, that's product 1. Here, product 2. So here where you commanding on product 2, you click on overlay again and you bring in the second product. Okay, let's say this is the second product. You bring in the second product. You go to remove BJ, you removed. You put your second product in position where it will be standing after you swap that. You put it like that, okay? So you have your second product. Okay. So where my finger starts to show in, that's where the second product have to start, like that. Yeah. Okay. Like so. And ends there. So you put the back keyframe and then you put the front keyframe and you swap it off the screen. And now you have this. So when you have this, you come here, just drag it till the end as well. So you will have something like this. So here again, you go back to sounds. Since you'll be using the same sound, just click on the sound and duplicate it. So you have just the same sound. No need to put different sounds, okay? When you duplicate the sound, you bring it down and you position it where the second product was coming in. So the first product, then the second product. So here, yeah, here the second product starting to come out. So you do this. Let me add the volume so you guys can hear. You do this. Yeah, that's the second product. The third product, you do the same. I'm trying to do this, the first, the second, because I want you guys to catch it, okay? A lot of people keep complaining they cannot use the keyframe. So me here, just trying to teach you how to use the keyframe before you now come and say, oh, she's repeating it. Oh, mama. So yeah, that one you put in. Then you minimize it and put it where it's supposed to be, like that. Yeah, and then you come here and see where the finger ended, and yeah, you put your videos like that. If you put it like this, it will be easier for you to so let's see. Yeah, so let's shift it again a little bit. Yes, like that. You come here, you put the first and the second keyframe again, and then you drag it off the screen again. And you go back to sound and do the same thing. So let me go on the first sound and just add the volume a little. And then add the volume here too, small. Okay, now we duplicate this one. So this one gives us for the third product. So let's see where the third product is coming in. Okay, I think, yeah, falls in place. So yeah, guys, this is how you do this. This is how you do this effect. You can see that first product, second product, third product. So this is how you can showcase. And the third product ended halfway because I have not dragged it. So you drag, okay? Okay, so you can see that if we want to put in our food product, we put in our food product. So here on this edit, the most important things are your picture and the background remover. Your picture and the background remover. Hear me and hear me clearly. Your picture and the background remover. That's the most important thing that you need to put into your videos. Okay, if you don't have that, then you're getting confused yourself. So this is how you put them. This picture, actually you crop it because it has that's my tripod that the shirt was hanging on. So I'll try to cut out the tripod because, yeah, like that. And let me show you how to add in color on your product. If your product is not very clear, just come here and add in color. Okay, so I'll add in color on that product so the product will be, you see that now on the screen it looks nice. Yep, it will not look blur, like not look ashy like how I took it. So yeah, that one there right on top of my head. So we take this here, okay, and we reduce till when my finger stopped moving. Yep, so there you put the first, you put the second, you swap it off the screen. I hope you guys will not complain about keyframes again, because today is the longest day I've taught you guys about keyframes. So yeah, take it till the end and you have that. Add in the sound again. Guys, remember, sounds just duplicate. To use the same sound, you cannot be going back to sound effects every now and then. Like somebody going to the market to buy salt, then you come back and go buy Maggi. So this one we add it here. Yeah. Yep, that's how it is. There you go. So okay guys, that's it. When you're done, you export your video and you are good to go. So yeah, that's it. That's it, people.